The Inter-Secondary School Sports Association HISA Boys and Girls Championships, affectionately known as CHAMPS, has long been a cornerstone of Jamaican athletics. From nurturing legendary sprinters to creating opportunities for future Olympians, CHAMPS embodies the essence of homegrown talent development. However, a new trend is emerging that threatens the traditional purpose of the event, the recruitment of African athletes to compete in long-distance races for Jamaican high schools. At this year's CHAMPS, we saw an all-African podium in the boys' 5,000 meters open, with Kenyan and Ghanaian athletes sweeping the medals. While schools may view this as a competitive edge, it raises pressing concerns about the long-term impact on the growth of local talent. Jamaican long-distance runners are increasingly overshadowed by African athletes, limiting their opportunities to showcase their abilities and attract scouts who frequent the event. CHAMPS was meant to be a breeding ground for Jamaica's athletic future, not merely a platform for schools to outdo each other in short-term victories. This trend undermines efforts to diversify Jamaica's athletic strength, particularly in long-distance events where representation has been historically limited. Instead of fostering local talent, some schools appear to prioritize competition above development, which could stifle the growth of Jamaican athletes who aspire to excel in these challenging disciplines. To preserve the spirit of CHAMPS, there must be a recommitment to nurturing Jamaican athletes across all events. Schools should focus on creating training programs and incentives that empower local long-distance runners to compete at the highest levels. Only then can CHAMPS remain true to its legacy, a celebration of Jamaican athletic potential and pride.